model, 61-plate Volkswagen Transporter 9-seater Shuttle T30 long wheelbase, 2.0 TDI spares OR repairs body, white, minibus mileage, 121389 MOT, the 8th of August 2024 engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PS transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner fuel pump need replacing engine has been striped ready for the replacement all parts are present recently had a replacement clutch and dual mass flywheel condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and